Reading practice to improve pronunciation and speaking skills in English. American Indians. Before the arrival of European settlers in the 16th century, North America was inhabited by a small number of indigenous tribes. Some were settled, residing in established villages, but most were nomadic, living in teepees or other movable dwellings. The first European settlers referred to them as Indians, due to their dark skin resembling that of people from India. Despite having no connection to India, the name stuck and is still used today. While the word Indian is still employed in official contexts, several other terms such as Native Americans are also used. 500 years ago, there were roughly 10 million Native Americans living north of the Mexican border. Within 3 centuries, their population dwindled to less than 500,000. Many perished in battles, but disease was the primary cause of their decline. European settlers brought over diseases from their homeland that were deadly to American Indians. Entire tribes disappeared after being exposed to illnesses from European settlers. Since the 1900s, the Native American population has been growing once again, with over 2.5 million Native Americans residing in the U.S. today, depending on how the term Native Americans is defined. They can be found in all facets of American society, including the federal administration. Approximately a quarter of Native Americans live on reservations, which are large tracts of land controlled by Indian nations. In several cases, Indians residing on these reservations do not pay taxes to either the U.S. government or the states where they are located. Reservations have their own laws and administration. However, most reservations are located in impoverished areas of the western U.S., and the residents have difficulty earning a sufficient income, even if they are fortunate enough to find a job. Unemployment is a major issue on many reservations, and on average, Native Americans earn 30% less than their white American counterparts. Poverty is a severe issue on reservations. On the other hand, some Indian communities have developed lucrative enterprises. Many reservations have established casinos that offer significant prizes, known as Indian bingo. They can provide larger prizes than non-Indian casinos since they are not subject to state taxes. On other reservations, Indians own factories, large supermarkets, farms, and other businesses. Tourism and Native American culture are also significant endeavors in some regions. Native Americans take pride in their cultural heritage and enjoy commemorating their traditions. The present situation for Native Americans is gradually improving. Young Native Americans are better educated than their predecessors and are brimming with innovative ideas. They are looking forward to a brighter future than their past. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing contents.